Hello viewers, let me be honest with you. Before buying anything, I used to go to the counter and tell the salesperson that I like this brand, I like this product. And then I used to fear that now he will charge me more. Now he will upsell me or cross sell me something else. Because I told him that I like this brand, now he will also recommend me other things and I will end up buying more. Then I bought one book, Exactly What to Say. That book has changed my words, the way I sell things, the way I purchase things. If you are a salesperson or if you are generally a buyer, then I would recommend you listening the summary I am sharing with you. These lessons, these tips are also applicable for the teachers, for the politicians, for many people. These are magic words. You can use these words in your context. So as usual, in summary of the book, I will share the 5 things which I learned from this book. And there are only 20 words. This is a shorter book having 93 pages. If you have the time, you can read this book. This book is must recommend, must read from my side. So the 5 things I learned from this book and summary of the book. The first point of the book is that all of us fear rejection. What happens is that because of the fear of rejection, when we sell something or when we buy something, we most of the time expose ourselves to the person next to us. So what happens is that you can overcome this thing by using the magic word that I'm not sure this product is for you, this is for you. So when you are a salesperson, you say, I'm not sure this is for you. Then the other person will be like, oh, what's this? I want to see it. So this is a magic sentence which you can speak. And if you are buying something, you can say, I'm not sure this is for me. So in this way, you will pressurize kind of other salesperson, and then he will show you more products, and then you will buy the best thing. In case of sales, you will sell the best thing. So in both cases, this sentence works. So the other thing which author says that all of us love to be called open-minded. In a room of 10 people, if you ask them that how many are open-minded, chances are that 10 of 10 will say that we are open-minded. Now, before selling anything, you can say that you are open-minded to try this thing. Believe me, people will buy the product. You are selling some TV and you can tell to your customer that you are open-minded, that you will try this thing. You are open-minded that you will vote for me. If you are a politician, you are asking for the vote. So this is the second thing which I learned from this book, that you have to use the word open-minded. And the third thing is that whenever we sell something, when we most of the time we are the best in the industry, we have the best product. So what happens is that the person next to us thinks that how come he can be the best? How he questions your legitimacy. But at the same time, if you understand the human psyche, we humans want to be right. We want to be encouraged as someone who is knowledgeable. So what you can do, you can start the sentence with the word that, what do you know about us? We are the best in the industry. What do you know about our product? It is one of the best in the industry. You can ask this way the question, then the person will be like, yeah, I know about this thing. And if he's unless until you do not have a very bad product and the customer is brutally honest, you will end up having a good answer. So this is third thing I learned from this book. The fourth thing is that we humans love to be like the person we are talking to. Whenever you are buying something, whenever we are purchasing something, we share our own preferences. So you can start the words with that, I bet you are some extent like me. So what happens is that the other person will feel a connection with you, and then if you are buying something, you can buy the good thing. If you are selling something, you can sell the best thing. And there are other many words. In the fifth point, I would like to say that there are other many words, but I will end my summary with the thing that, what do you feel about this? The question of feel, let the other person open to you, and then you will understand him in best way, and then you can use the magic words like just imagine, don't worry, and you can show him the example of if and then. You can show him, you can talk about him, about the two type of people, the author, then you will open the conversation. Then you have to use these kind of words like just imagine, don't worry, give him examples of bad and good side. Make sure that you are portraying him that he is the best person when you are giving example of two people. So this is the summary of the book. The words which we learned today, the words which I shared in my summary are like, I'm not sure if it is for you. Just imagine, don't worry, use these kind of words. What do you feel about it? What do you know about our product? Then you can start the line that we are the best in the industry. That's all in the summary of exactly what to say. If you like this summary, please share it with others. Please share it with the salespeople so that they get benefit of this summary. I would recommend you to buy this complete book. It's a shorter book having only 93 pages. And also subscribe our channel. There are several book summaries. There are several research courses on my YouTube channel. There are complete some audiobooks. You can also listen those books. You can also listen my books, my 16 books. Thank you so much for being subscriber. Thank you so much for listening.